Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. People argue that this whatever is happening with Adani is just a manipulation, nothing is happening, Adani is right. It is in fact they are putting blame on Hindenburg, right? Hindenburg. Adani is there is no fraud happening in Adani Enterprises or so on and so forth. Let me ask you some question. There was a block deal yesterday. In fact, shares of Adani has changed hand from Adani Enterprises to a company called GQG Partners, an US-based firm, has bought 15,000 crores worth of Adani shares. And let me tell you, Adani Transmission, they have bought 88 lakhs worth of share for around 668 rupees. Adani Enterprises, 90 lakh shares they have bought for around 1408 rupees. Adani Ports, they have bought 2.4 crores worth of shares for 596 rupees. And Adani Gas, 1.38 crores worth of share for 504 rupees a piece. So today, from yesterday's block deal, today alone they have made more than 10,000 crores of profit. Adani Transmission is trading for around 743. Adani Enterprises is trading for 1,887. Adani Port is trading for around 688, and Adani Total Gas is trading for 781. So if you calculate the buy price and current price, they have made more than 10,000 crores worth of profit in just single trading session. If this is not called manipulation, then what else this is called, right? And yes, not only this, before, since 25th January, since they came with a FPO, this is only problem. FPO came, then before FPO only Hindenburg, just 3 days before Hindenburg came and gave a report, 3,000 to 1,200, then it is swinging up and down. Then Abu Dhabi based company came out, they told they will buy shares of Adani. Everything is happening in Adani, and we don't know how to solve this and when it is going to be finished. Now, at the last, who is going to go suffer? You and me is only suffering. People who had returned 17,400, 17,500, 17,600. I saw 17,300 call options return yesterday. 17,300 call option return yesterday. You imagine what would have happened to those people. And when it comes to Bank Nifty is the worst. I think Bank Nifty moved more than around 1,000 points. People were writing around 40,500 till 41,000. Bank Nifty went to 41,200. Yesterday's close was around 40,300 levels, and people were writing 40,500, 600, 700, 800 till 41,000, even 41,200. I saw call writing. People were writing so much call, and today was a very big blunder for these people. I'm sure if you have had return call option, you would have suffered. I'm very sorry for that. There is nothing we can do unless this Adani issue is cleared. We will have to face the pain. In fact, yesterday's video I put clearly that whoever shorted the market after seeing today's price action, you will be fooled, and that is what has happened. So this is clear manipulation, and we really don't know when this issue is going to come. And I wouldn't be surprised if the market goes down tomorrow. In one day alone, Bank Nifty, in spite of India VIX, India VIX, that is another problem. India VIX is very low. There is no chance of making adjustment. In fact, 12.26. It is almost lowest in the last 1 year. You cannot make adjustment. You are not getting premiums at all. Weekly option, you go and see, even 200, 300 strike away, it is trading for 5 rupees or even 10 rupees, less than 10 rupees. Where will you make adjustment? How will you trade? How will you are just collecting, let's say you do a short straddle, 17,600 short straddle in Nifty. You will just get a premium weekly option I'm talking about. You will just get a premium of less than 100 rupees. But Nifty is moving 200, 300 points in one day. India VIX is low, premiums are low, markets are moving, and we are the sufferers. It is neither Adani people are not suffering. They will, one way or other, they will know how to make money. It is not GQG Capital. They also made money, and everyone else will make money. NSE is making money because of our charges, transaction charges. Government of India is making on GST, SGST. only we are suffering. Only Umar and you are people who are watching this video is suffering. That is the true thing which is happening in the market. I wouldn't surprise after all this. I wouldn't be surprised if the market falls on Monday, because I'll tell you, still FIIs are having still huge short position today. FII activity, if you see, there is not much of FII activity, only DII activity. That too maybe mutual fund people would have pumped money. Only DII activity. FIIs, they have not at all bought anything. Very very less quantity. You will be surprised if you see the FII quantity, and they are having still huge quantity in index short position. That's why I'm saying I wouldn't be surprised if the market comes down on Monday. One day traveling so much and another day falling is not new in this market, and things can go wrong in this market also. So let's see what is happening. We'll also see what is going to be the levels in Nifty and Bank Nifty, whether Nifty is going to touch 18,000, we don't know, and Bank Nifty maybe 41,500, we really don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Anyways, US futures are all flat. It is not green. There is no positivity at all in the US markets. Global cues all are running flat, whether it is Europe or whether it is US, it is all running flat. It is only our market which was in the green. Asia Pacific also was in the green, but every market is flat. Our markets are shooting up like anything. So we'll see one by one. So before that, let me go to the chart. This is not the chart. This is Sensible. I'll tell you something about Sensible. Just give me 1 minute. Sensible is giving free pro plan for all users of Zerodha, IAFL, Upstock, 5paisa and Angel One. So if you are using these brokers, you can make use of this free pro plan. No credit card, no debit card information asked, for which the link is on the description below. And this is the Bank Nifty chart. Oh boy, what a rally, right? 1,000 points, more than 1,000 points rally. People, that's what I told. 40,000 to 40,900 to 41,000 was a stiff resistance, which was taken very easily without any difficulty. Bank Nifty took 41,000. Obviously, why it wouldn't take? Because SBI alone rallied more than 5%. You know how much weightage SBI is having in Bank Nifty. And I'll talk about SBI and LIC also. You know what is manipulation. I told about manipulation. Since 28th of February, LIC and SBI has been rallying. You know LIC, how much it has been fallen for 3 consecutive days. It is before even this block deal was out, LIC and SBI was on the up move. Why? You know, because SBI and LIC is having the highest exposure to Adani. Okay, right. Anyway, we'll see that later. Now, what will happen if the market goes up? Let's say market is gapping up. We are having positive news, and this positive news is continuing. What is going to happen? Maybe we will see 41,500 and even more. To be this thing, even we can see 42,000. We really don't know. But no block deal has happened today. In case it is coming down, we will see a 41,000 as a resistance. This is in terms of Bank Nifty, and when it comes to Nifty, we will see 17,656 level is a good resistance. These lines or these supports and level or resistance is not drawn today or just coming before or just shooting this video. Before shooting this video, these lines were drawn, this support and resistance were drawn very long time back, and it is respecting 17,500 today was a good resistance. But as I told you, it was very easy for Nifty to take 17,500. First of all, I was shocked to see a 200 points gap up. See, yesterday it was closing at around 17,300. Suddenly you see a gap up of around from 17,300 to 17,431, around 100, almost 150 points gap up. Then from 150 points gap up, it is moving towards 17,700. One way rally it is moving, right? So this is how the bullishness, this is how the markets are, this is how whether you like it or not, this is how Indian market react. In fact, we over overreact. So that's why people say Indian markets always overreact. So maybe if it is gapping down, or if there is any negative cues, or if there is any US markets are closing in the red, maybe we will see 17,500. That also, if it comes, if it gaps down, what will happen is people will start buying both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So majority, I think, with this all positive news in and around us, we might go and see 17,600 levels or 650 levels going forward in next week. So next week we have one day holiday also. I think it is Tuesday or Wednesday due to Holi. And if you see the market wise participants, still they are having 1,58,843 short contracts in futures. So that is one thing which is worrying me. Anything can happen, or we just gave a shorting opportunity to FIIs. We really don't know. So we'll have to wait and see what is happening. In fact, it has reduced from 1,66,000 to 1,58,000, but we will have to wait and see what happens on Monday. This is lagging data. So maybe tomorrow we will come out with the exact data. I'm sure they would have reduced, but very significantly, very less they would have reduced. And if you see the FII data, it was only DIIs who had bought for around 2,089 crores, and FIIs have bought for around 246 crores. So we'll see how things pan out. Last but not the least, US markets are all in the green. Less than 0.5%. Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything up by less than 0.5%. And even FTSE, German, France is almost mixed. So France is up by more than 1%. Apart from that, everything is normal. We'll see how things pan out on Monday. So be cautious. We'll see what is happening around. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye.